Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep into the world of 3D printing and examine some of the best 3D printers for sculpting. These 3D printers can be used in any condition and can be used to create intricate sculptures with incredible detail. This 3D printer is specially designed for users that are looking to create unique and intricate sculptures. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers for sculpting that will give you amazing results. To help you, we have compiled a comprehensive list of 3D printers with great features to help you create amazing sculptures. The output of each 3D printer is remarkable, and you can get amazing results with just a few clicks. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Anycubic Kobra Max 3D Printer, Large 3D Printer. Are you searching for a 3D printer that's tailor-made for unleashing your sculpting fantasies? The Anycubic Kobra Max 3D printer is here to turn your creative dreams into tangible, larger-than-life masterpieces. This 3D printing marvel boasts an expansive build volume of 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches, 450 by 400 by 400 millimeters, giving your imagination the space it craves. No more impatient waiting. This 3D printer zooms past industry standards, hitting speeds of up to 180 millimeters per second, 80 millimeters per second on average. That's a whopping 167% faster. Your creative flow won't be held back by sluggish printing. And here's the magic touch: leveling and printing happen with a single button press, making your 3D printing journey an absolute breeze. When it comes to sculpting dreams into reality, the Anycubic Kobra Max 3D printer is your ultimate partner, giving you limitless space, faster speeds, and unparalleled precision. Step into a world where your imagination takes shape with the touch of a button. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.